Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you the installation of Bluetooth intercom on my new helmet. This is my old Bluetooth intercom BTS2. Bought it from AliExpress. It costs around like 2,800 Indian rupees, and I will be installing this. The glue is pretty weak now, so I will add this dendrite adhesive in here, and I will try to install it. And I will be installing this helmet mount, chin mount later. This is MT Thunder 3. It comes with sun visor. First, let's take out the padding. This is where to keep the speaker. Okay, let's take the inner padding out, because we have to install the wire inside. Okay, the inner padding. This is the inside looks of MT Thunder 3. I think we have to take out this also, the chin curtain, for mounting this. See, the glue is weak now, so we have to add adhesive. That is the speaker. We have to stick this inside, so it should be like this. Let it stick inside. Okay. It's so sticky. Will stick in here. Okay, this will be perfect. Let's mount this here. Okay, and after this, stick in here. Okay. This will go here. Stick like a magnet. It's perfect now. Okay, time to put it back. done. Ta-da! Battery down. See the blink. It's connected. So let me play a music. It's playing. Okay, let's turn off. Installation of this GoPro mount, chin mount. We can't take this one out separately, so I have to mount like this. In SUV helmet we can take out nose guard.
Wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives
It's simple as that.
through